from Malaysia. And our friendly neighbors, the team from Nepal. Dressed in the colors of brown, here comes the team from Sweden. Well, the Swedish team is over here. The team from the African continent of Tanzania. In red jackets, the smart team from United Arab Emirates. And the smart white cats from United Kingdom. And now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the host nation, India! Well, this is Team India, ladies and gentlemen, come on. Everyone in this audience, can we make some noise for all these people? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. There you have it, the teams that are going to battle it out for the first World Cup of roll ball. And like they represent their countries, may the best team win. I want you all to cheer as loud as you can for all the players. So as we move on this side, it feels amazing to see all the players over here and our mascot, Shekaru, right over there. At this moment, I would just request all the players, if you can make some noise together. Let's see how you sound. They all are saying roll ball. All right, great. So at this moment, it's time for the welcome address by Shri Abhay Chhajarji, who is the President of Roll Ball Federation of India. May I welcome you on the podium, sir.
Mayor of Pune, the Chief Guest of the evening, Mr. Mohan Singh Rajpal, Mr. Narendra Sopal, Director of Sports, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. V.K. Sood, President Roll Ball Federation, Mr. Siddharth Mayur from the Jain Irrigation, Mr. Raju Dabade, Mr. Vasant Rathi, and all the international players from 17 countries, members of the organizing committee, volunteers, officials of the federation, sponsors, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first World Cup of roll ball to be held in the historic city of Pune, which is the birthplace of roll ball. Pune also happens to be a birthplace of another game, that is a badminton. And this is also a place where the Olympic movement of India has begun. we are all here in a Balewadi Malunge Stadium, which is named after the great Maratha warrior, Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This was also a place where Commonwealth Youth Games have recently taken place in 2008. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today as the President of the Roll Ball Federation of India, a game that was developed by a school teacher in Pune, moved on to be played by 25 countries around the world. It is a proud moment for our country and particularly for our city of Pune for hosting the first Roll Ball World Cup. This would not have been possible without the support of Pune Municipal Corporation, Jain Irrigation Systems, Radio City, Krushidan Seeds, Airtel, Hotel Weeds, Aditya Birla Hospital, Shiva Ad, Perfect Relations, Event Wala Academy of Event Management Training and Doordarshan Sports. Fortunately, today is also birthday of Mr. Raju Dabade, who has invented this game. So on behalf of all the dignitaries on dais and on behalf of all the players, I wish him all the best for his future. I welcome you all for this World Cup, and for the next 7 days, we'll see the best teams from around the world playing against each other, showcasing the skills of the game, whether as a participant or a spectator. The game offers an opportunity to open up and better understand other people by discovering new culture. Such occasions create an opportunity and platform for people from around the world to come together as one for the spirit of the game. Through sports, art or culture, everybody can be a part of this World Cup tournament. I assure you of a great event in the coming week and look forward to your continued support for this game. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much, Sri Abhay Chajarji, the President, Roll Ball Federation of India. And now I please call upon Sri V.K. Sood, the President, International Roll Ball Federation.
Shri Moon Singh Ji, Rajpal, Abhay Chajarji Ji, Dendra Sapal Ji, Siddharth Ji, or Raju Dabade, dignitaries on the dais, participating players, ladies and gentlemen. The International Roll Ball Federation was founded in year 2003. I took over as a president of IRBF in 2007. During the last few years, I have traveled many countries, Europe, North America and Asian countries, and able to introduce the roll ball game in around more than 25 countries. With our dedicated efforts, we were able to conduct 6 international championships and 1 Asian championship at Hong Kong. After all these championships, enthusiasm of the game by countries, we are able to organize our first World Cup at Pune. Cheers to your city. Today we have with us around 16 countries participating, and this is a great moment for the roll ball game. The World Cup was the big challenge for IRBF, but due to untiring efforts by my team and people involved with us, in a short time we were able to plan the same. I think IRBF has achieved a big goal. I am confident that this championship will be a great success and supported by my colleagues and all members of the roll ball family, sponsors, press and electronic medias and other sporting agencies involved in this game. My special thanks to Maharashtra government and Roll Ball Federation of India, Ajay Chajarji.